everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. So I'm going to show you how to make UV resin pendants. It's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so I'm doing them with the breast cancer ribbon. There's one that I've made with some bling around the edge, finished the back on a white background. This one has some pearls in it, and this one I joined two ribbons together and just made it really simple. So I'm going to show you how to make it. Now, first thing you need is some clear tape. So just get some like clear packing tape or wrapping paper tape and push the bezel nice and firmly down onto the tape so that there are no way for the resin to leak out. Okay, and I thought for this one we'll put like a glittery background, and we're using one ribbon. So the resin I use is from DecorRom UV Resin. It's hard, it's really quick curing, and then I have a little UV light. And if you don't have a UV light, these will dry on a windowsill. It just takes a lot longer. So the first thing I'm going to do is put a thin layer of resin into the pendant. And put my lid on and just spread that around inside. Get a nice even coat. That's good. And then you take your UV light and, there's a bubble. If there's a bubble, you can just use like a pointy stick to pop it with. Well, the glitter's going to cover that up, but I think I popped it. So you hold the light for about, well, it does cure in about a minute. I like to cure it for about 2 minutes, so I will cure it and then come back to you. Okay, I think that is cured. Just tap it. Yep, that's nice and cured. So now I'm going to put the glitter in. And I'm not going to take the tape off yet. I probably could, but just in case, let me take a look. It's also hot. And the other thing with UV resin, it's better done in thin layers rather than thick layers. So let's get my glitter. I'm going to use a popsicle stick. To put the glitter inside. There we go. Push that to the edge. I'm going to put a little bit more. I did try one mixing it with the UV resin with a little bit of alcohol ink, and it did set. It was this one, but it took a lot longer to set. Okay, I think we're good. Just gonna tap. All right. And in with our ribbon. position. Happy with that position, and now I'll add the UV resin to the top of this to cover the glitter and the ribbon. It's a good idea to have a bright light so you can see if you've got any missing spots. Okay, I'm just going to wipe that glitter off the resin, off the ribbon. There we go. And let's dry that layer. Okay, that layer's dry. Now I'm going to take it off the paper. It is hot, so it might be better to, before we do the next step, just let it cool down a little bit. Ouch. So we'll let that cool down and then we'll do the next step. All right, now it's cooled down. I like to do the back because you can see, you know, the tape doesn't really make it look that great, and if you do the back at night, it domes nicely and just kind of tidies up and makes it look really pretty. So, one more step. You can see how simple these are to make. And that's just putting a layer on the back. And it does dome nicely. Just got to make sure your surface is nice and flat. And help it spread to the edges. These particular pendants that I've got have a nice kind of ridge to them. So it doesn't tend to overflow. So that's the last step. And there you have it. So that's 4 pendants, and a long time ago, I'll leave a link to the video actually, I did beach scenes in some pendants and they were really popular and adorable. And a little announcement, I have a sale coming up on my Etsy store October 24th, which I think is next Friday. And that will run through to Halloween. So don't forget to check out my Etsy store. Details of the sale are on the front page. Now I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Oh, there's a lot of glare in here, apologise. But that's the one that we just made. And here are a few that I made earlier. There's the one with the pearls. So, and I'll turn one over and then you can see what a difference it makes if you do the back as well. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little short video, Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.